Did you know an archaeologist once discovered a palace so advanced it seemed impossible? In 1900, Arthur Evans was digging on the Greek island of Crete, expecting to find a simple ancient village. Instead, he uncovered massive stone foundations and colorful wall paintings unlike anything he'd ever seen. Then came the shocking discovery. This was the Palace of Knossos, home to the mysterious Minoans. 4,000 years ago, while most people lived in mud huts, these ancient people had indoor plumbing and flush toilets. Evans found throne rooms, grand staircases, and beautiful dolphin paintings covering the walls. But here's the incredible part. This very palace inspired the Greek legend of the labyrinth and the Minotaur. The Minoans had luxury that wouldn't return to Europe for 3,000 more years.